This is how you're going to update and check PHP version in Hostinger. So first step is you're going to head over to hpanel.hostinger.com. So make sure that that's what it says in your address bar. And then from here, just going to log in or sign up with your account. Now from there, you can see this dashboard right here, and then you will see this left side panel just beside it, and then you're going to click on websites right here. Now on your websites page, you're going to click manage for your site, go to advanced, and then go to a PHP configuration or PHP version. You're going to have to choose the PHP version you want from the drop down, and then you're just going to click on update. To check the active PHP details, you're going to use PHP info button or click or link in same page or upload a PHP info file. Now you're gonna have to test your site after changing PHP. If something breaks, switch back or restore from backup. Now different web apps like WordPress or plugins require specific PHP versions. Hosting applies the change quickly, and it all affects sites on that hosting plan except sites on the website builder. So always test after switching. And that's it. That is how you're going to upload or update and check PHP version in Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.